Sorry.
Guess what? I'm gonna chase you with the chainsaw. Yay!
FNG art. Things are going pretty well. I mean, wow, shit. Should I contribute to Godot? The answer is yes. If you can contribute to an open source project, even if it's documentation, documentation is immensely important, and especially in open source. And you don't have to be a developer to do documentation. I highly recommend if so. That's I learned the hard way yesterday, and this is another good reason. Back up your shit and use Git. Hey, back up your shit. Use Git. Where's that other one hiding? There is a. Or is that just the crotch? That's actually my nose. Whoa. And then this is what I love about StreamerBot.
Does, we'll call .enter, and then we'll set current state to initial state.
Holy shit!
We can start building out
our
separate states.
God damn it!
The first state I'll make is just idle.
Seriously?
Start by making a new script, and I'll just call this enemy idle. Instead of extending node, we'll instead extend state and set the class name to enemy idle. And inside of this state,
I just made the goddamn connection.
Variables, which are move direction and wander time, and then a function to randomize those variables. And then when we enter the state, we'll just call that random.
Oh wow!
Function. And then the update function.
It's as bad as ripping your dick off and throwing it at somebody. There we go. Oh, no wonder. On backwards. And then I'm just going to keep streaming and do it again and 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 again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, hey, hey. My bullets are carrying me away. I was playing with myself with my big horn on stream, and nobody wanted to watch me play with myself with my big horn on stream. I can't imagine why. The oh gee Jesus. See the walk loop, make sure taking a step, watch me strut, fair, out of the butt, my name's Shooty. I need to get some sleep, I think that's oh wait. Well, hello. What?
Hey, insert rating streamer's
What?
name here. Thank you for the
What?
raid.
What?
How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Fly sank. Welcome. Welcome in, Sank. How's it going? How's your stream? How is everything? I want to know what love is. No, that's not it. It sure did. It's all mine. Put that down. How you doing? How was the stream? That gamer, thank you for being first. Hey, believe me, I get that. That happens to me a lot. So I fully understand. Thank you for bringing in the raid. If you got anything you want to share, anything at all, please, as always, share away. Well, I lament my shout out clip thing just slowing the fuck down all the time. All the time. Maybe we'll get rid of that. Because this clip should have been, like, just in general, over, like, what? Within 30 seconds. I don't know. Okay, Raiders coming in. For those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I'm a web developer currently working in Drupal, currently doing security stuff for Drupal. But while I'm streaming, I take off my web dev hat and I put on my plushy hat. That actually it doesn't fit. I would try to make a hat out of this. I mean, I guess I could stay like this, but I have to stay extremely still. I've enabled hardware acceleration. I've disabled hardware acceleration for browser, but it never seems to work right. But I'll give that a try again. I don't know. I was going to say I don't know how much longer I can hold that, but that was the answer right there. So I haven't been around for a while. I am thrilled to be back. I spent quite a few days in Seattle at a conference. Oils Games over on YouTube, asking a very important question. The question is, why Godot? Allow me to answer or respond to your question with a question of my own. Why not? Honestly, it's because I am a huge fan of open source software. Everything open source, I love. Also, at the time that I was looking into getting into game dev is the time where Unity took a nice big hammer right to their big toe, slammed it down, and said, "We're going to screw up everything." And that's when I decided, hey, I'm going to go to Godot. But the biggest thing is open source. I can make anything I want with it. I don't have to worry about licensing fees. I don't have to worry about download or per download fees. At least in the game engine, of course, licensing fees and stuff when publishing, if I ever publish anything. It's not looking good, is it? But if I ever publish anything, then all I have to worry about is Steam taking their cut or itch taking its cut. Well, does itch take a cut? I don't know. But the long-winded answer is why Godot? Actually, this is a short answer. Why Godot? Because I love open source. Yes, the community is everything. This is Stodling over on Twitch is saying, in case you can't read the small text, their machine can't handle Unity. Godot's lightweight, has an amazing community. I mean, I was just telling. So I just gave a talk in Seattle. Say a sync. I was in the U district, staying not quite downtown. I've done all the touristy shit. I've been in the Space Needle a few times. I've been, I've done the hill climb. I've watched fish be thrown at Pike Place. But this time I was at U District. Gave a talk at University of Washington, and my talk itself was a presentation. Well, you can see it here, built as a platformer, and I'll show it off just a little bit, and then I can put up a link to this week's talk. I'm not giving it next week, but I am going out of town for another event next week. Oils, why do you want to develop? The question today I was asked why I would want to develop games on Linux. Open fucking source. And you develop on Linux, it's going to work on a lot, and especially if you're choosing, if you're using Godot, it's using like compatibility. But for those of you who haven't seen it, oh, this is my test ladder. No, let's go to world. So this is the newer version that isn't complete on this machine, that I've been working on. It's a PowerPoint presentation in the form of a platformer game. And what I mean by that is when I press play here, Get up there. No. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So this is the talk that I gave, kind of. Yeah. Let me open up a new window here. Just you know, give a quick. Where'd we go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? My game demo. I mean, talk. Why I talk to myself and how it made me a better developer. So those of you who don't know me, a little bit about me. I'm JD. I'm a senior software engineer for Drupal at Hero Devs. Member of the Drupal CWG conflict resolution team. Been doing Drupal for a while. I was a paramedic for 10 years. Been doing some coding since the 80s. And do I have anything else? Oh yeah, I'm also on Twitch. JD Does Dev. So what is this about? So yeah, that was my talk. I'll put the link here in chat if anybody wants to watch the full thing. Like I said to anybody who asks, and even some people who don't. When I first made that presentation, the idea was I don't care if anybody listens to a word I say. I just want them to say, "Holy shit, that's a cool way to say it." And I think I succeeded in that. There we go. So what are we doing today? Well, I'm getting caught up and trying to remember what the hell I've been doing. There's something that's been bugging me here, or not bugging me. Bugging, no. Bugging is a weird word for it. Something that's been on my mind. No. It's a better word for it. Shit. Something I've wanted to learn. Let's say that's better. That's much better. And that is procgen, procedural generation of levels. I don't necessarily mean like big ol' Minecraft type maps. But things like Neon Abyss or Spelunky or thing, let's keep it in the 2D realm where when the world is generated, like different types of rooms are randomly placed all over, and there's maps to go with it, and it just kind of you can go where you need to, or different doors, and so it's like say 7 or 8 different room types. Let's see, where maybe so it's I don't, I mean, this, I get this kind, and like Jackie's thing here, this is all done with map or with noise, which is cool, right? Okay, something like now this isn't quite it either. What is it called? I mean, is it not procgen? Is it not procedural generation? Is it um Dungeon generation. Ironic, welcome back. Good to see you. More like room connecting. Okay. I guess map generation like Binding of Isaac. That's a good one too. But the one that I'm really interested in is something very close to Neon Abyss. If you don't know that game, it's a lot of fun. All these rooms are semi-random. Yeah, exactly. Oh, I have never gotten that many eggs. I've been doing it wrong. Something kind of like this, not nearly as sophisticated, sophisticated as this game, but having a collection of rooms, and then when you go through a door, it goes to another one. You get a little map, and do a little dance, and blah 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 blah. I'm just curious how that works. And it looks like dungeon generation, so it's not. Ironic, do you have any resources that I can look at that that might kind of point me in the right direction? I mean, um, coding the basic dungeon generator. Level map size and tiles. Are we gonna? I guess we will be. Okay, this kind of seems like it's on it. I mean, this is Godot 3. I'm sure that it shouldn't be too difficult um to update. Now, what are the course files here? Excuse me. Is this what I'm. Okay, so this is the algorithm. Simple dungeon. What's physics based? Okay. So this random walker level, interesting. But I just want to do. Oh no! God damn it! Never done it successfully. Yeah, when in doubt. Now, Nope, 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 nope. Let's go back to quit project list. Now I know Jake Blade in Kirker did a lot like that for his. Based 3D procedural. Let's take a look at this and see what the video of it looks like. No, this isn't quite it. This is no, stop it. You're too loud. Stop. Nope, 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 nope. Let's see. Nathan Lovato from GD Quest from Voil's Games over there. I was just looking at GD Quest here, but it's paid. Yeah, I have the sound off, so you're not missing anything here. More. Let's take a quick look here. Coding Quest. Okay, well. Yeah, let's see what we can grok from this. But I don't want to do 3D. This Kids Can Code is kind of old. Nope, that's not it either. It's a simple one. Fill the world with tiles. Add rooms to an array. How old? Oh, Jesus. $2016. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, just JVA. What is up? How you doing? Welcome in. First time chat. Also, JVA led an offline hype train single-handedly. You're still working. I finished up, and then I chose to take a break, eat some dinner. Now here I am trying to figure out some how to do. Let's get rid of Godot here. And see if we can connect it. Okay, grid, square grid. Room placement. Each dungeon is a series of tiles along the X and Y. All right, so maybe because this is what it should kind of look like. Choose a random room from the list of rooms Choose a random location on the grid to position. Okay, if room does not overlap. So just JV. I'm glad I'm not on client side yet. Ooh, we got something from Voiles over on YouTube. JV, I don't think I'll ever be there unless, you know, something really weird. Nope, that's not it. My Mac is showing. I'm trying to Alt C instead of Control C. Why didn't I just go to YouTube? Okay, this is a few years ago, but we could probably take a look at the code base. All right. So this is Walker generation. And this is kind of it. This seems more like Noida. That's not quite. But let's see. Okay. Okay, porting to Godot 4. All right, basic dungeon. This is what we're looking for. All right, now is all this here? Okay, so let's see. Can I know I can. Public code. All right, let's get over here. Terminal. Projects. All right. JVA, no, I want to learn how to do proc gen similar to like Neon Abyss is the game I was using as an example. Not quite Spelunky, but yeah, let's turn this down and just see if we can, where, you know, just a bunch of different rooms. You walk into one. Something like that. I have an idea for a game. Yeah, kinda Metroid vibes, yeah. I have an idea. I mean, I haven't finished shit yet. Someday I will. Someday I'll finish something. I import one here, projects, and this one came from procedural. All right, let's hope that's not broken on 4. Scanning files, let's get it. we're looking at basic dungeon here. We got here, tile map. Okay, open the tile map. Bottom panel, node selected. Okay, now let's wait. What happened there? Why is it? Let's give it a quick run and see what happens. Absolutely nothing. Fair enough. Room. So there's not a lot of commenting or any commenting here. So that it's frustrating. I mean, I appreciate the thing, but random walker, world map, no. Our project in the demos. I want to find the demos. Oh, did I open the wrong folder? Yeah. I don't see anything about timer. Do you? Do any of you? Okay, this is deprecated, but not. Okay, so it kind of did it here, right? In a sense. Let's see this one. So maybe it's something that is kind of scaling bit. If that makes sense, like I mean the timers aren't doing the things, but so this is generated, not quite what I wanted, but let me draw kind of what I'm wanting. I mean, short of playing around of the Anubis. This is gonna be easier. Boils, what I want to do is basically generate a dungeon. And you know, when it gets generated, just have rooms connected, different types of rooms, and with a set. That ends up, something like this. This is very, very simplified. So Voiles, I'm thinking that the rooms are going to be prefab, and it's just going to be easier. I'm not using this as an excuse to play a game, but I also am. Just to show what I mean. What the hell's happening here? There we go. Why aren't any of the buttons here working? Something is broken here. Fine, whatever. Okay, so you start off like this. Okay, so this is one room. You can see, well, shit. Am I being seen still, or is everything broken? Looks to me like everything's broken. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Well, let me see this. Am I still here? Am I still here? Because my OBS is frozen. I can't see a thing, and I can't switch between anything. So you can see this is what I'm seeing right now. Not great. Very not great. Well then, let's see what I can accomplish here. Because I don't know what's working, if anything. So I will do my best to be right back. Hey, Munglo, what's up? No, the hell. I don't like this.